Hello, this is Dharmishtha. Today we will discuss lesson number 7, Introduction to Photoshop CS3 Part 2. So first topic is changing background and foreground colors. Photoshop use the foreground color to paint, fill and stroke selection. The background color is used for gradient fill and for filling the erased area of an image. The default foreground color is black. Remember this point. The default foreground color is black. You can change the foreground or background color using the eyedropper tool. It is also called the color picker. Here given the figure about color picker dialog box. By using this option we can set a shade of the color and set on the background or foreground color. To change the foreground color, the steps are here given the steps how to change a foreground color. First one is click the foreground or background color selection box in the tools panel. The color picker dialog box appears. Drag the color slider here given the slider and click in the color field and choose a color. Then after click on OK button. In this way we can set a foreground color. Now selection tools. In Adobe Photoshop we can divide the selection tool in major group, marquee tools and lasso tools. So first we discuss about marquee tools. Using marquee tools you can select area of an image in rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape. See here given the figure about sub menu of marquee tool. It has a 4 option: rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool and single column marquee tool. The steps for making a selection are: first one, open the image. Number 2, click on the small black arrow at the bottom right corner of the marquee tool to open a sub menu. So when you click on small corner of the marquee tool, you can see this type of sub menu of marquee tool. It has the 4 options. See here given the figure. Now third step is select the required marquee tool from the list. Rectangular marquee tool to select the rectangular area of an image. Elliptical marquee tool to select a single row of 1 pixel width. Single row marquee tool is used to select a single column of 1 pixel wide. Then step number 4, place the mouse pointer on the image and drag around the area to select a dashed border surround the area you have selected. See here given the figure. First one is rectangular selection, see in a square form, and second one is elliptical selection. It is given in a round shape. See. Now lasso tool. The lasso tools are used to make a freehand selection in an image. Follow the steps to select an area of an image with one of the lasso tools. So first one is open an image. Number 2, click on the small black arrow at the bottom right corner of the lasso tool. Select the required tool from the list available tools. So lasso tool, it is used to make a free form selection in the desired shape. Polygonal lasso tool is used to select a polygonal area by clicking at the different point. To close the selection border, position the mouse pointer over the starting point and click or double click the mouse. Now third one is magnetic lasso tool. This tool sticks to edges of the image, thus making the selection very easy. To close the selection border, double click the mouse. In this way we can close the selection border. And now step number 4, place the mouse pointer on the image and drag it around the area you want to select. Here given the figure about submenu of lasso tool. It has a 3 option: lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool and magnetic lasso tool. Now magic wand tools. Magic wand tools is used to select adjacent of a same color in an image. Remember this. Select adjacent of the same color. You can use this tool by following the steps. Number 1. Click a magic wand tool. The shape of the mouse pointer changes. Number 2. In the option bar, you can specify the following. So when you click on these, you can set this option. First one is tolerance. So what is the use of tolerance? The higher the tolerance setting value, the wider the range of the selection pixel. Tolerance range from 0 to 255. We can set the tolerance between 0 to 255. Now second one is anti-alias. Define a smooth edges. This option is for to define a smooth edges of the image. Now third one is contiguous. Selects only a adjacent area having the same color. Otherwise all the pixels of the same color in the entire image are selected. Next one is sample all layers. Select only a pixels from all visible layers. If this option is not selected, colors from the active layers alone are selected. So in this way we can select this option and set as per our requirement for making the image effect. And third option is there, click on one part of the image, all the adjacent pixel with the same color get selected. The magic wand tool select a pixel based on the color value. If an object has a several color, then you can hold down the shift key and combine a several selection. In this way we can use magic wand tools for selecting a same color or adjacent color in an image. Now moving an image. Suppose you want to move an image on the screen, this option is used for that. The move tool is used to moving an image or a part of an image from one location to another. The steps are: click on the move tool in the tools panel, place the mouse pointer over the image or the selected part of the image, drag the mouse to move the selected part to another will move. So here given the figure about it. First of all, select the part which you want to move, then you can move it as per your requirement. Here given the figure about it. First figure show how to select, and second figure show how to move a particular selected portion on the image. In this way we can moving image or part of the image on the screen. Now copying image. While working with image, we can copy a part of an image to another location on the same image or to some other image. So first way, copying a selection to the same image. The steps to copy a part of an image to another location in the same image are: open the image, select an area using the marquee or the lasso tool, click on the move tools in the tools panel. With the Alt key press, drag the selection to the another location. Second way, copying a selection to the another image. The steps to copy the selected portion of an image to another image are: open the image, make a selection using the marquee or the lasso tool, select edit, then copy, open the destination image, select it, edit, then paste. Means copy and paste. In this way we can copy a particular image or part of the image and set another image on part of the image.